Today, we're going to be taking a look at a basic EDI invoice export. So firstly, go to EDI, Data Export, and then Invoices. In this page, you can see we already have a rule set up, so let's click on it. So to create a new rule, you can select New Rule, but in this instance, we already have a rule. You can change the rule name, you can change the trigger period, that can be set by every 2 minutes, or it could even be set every couple of days. It's completely up to you. Once you've set your trigger period, you can go to your export framework. That can be an FTP, email, printer, web service, account package, or SMS. We can go into the settings of your framework and we can put an email to, email subject, we can assign agent contact or customer contact. We can put in an email body and we can even put in an automated population of the invoice number. Once you've done this, we can select to update or validate. If you validate, this will confirm the code you just put in, and it will also update your framework. So what we can do is select to update again, and we can go to our export file type. It can be an advanced format or a basic format. We can then go into settings and we can have a look at our export. Now we can change the file type again. We can also choose to include a PDF report. We can put in a header row. We can also change our columns as well by clicking into that data to export field. Once you've picked the fields that you want, you can select to update. We can enable and disable. We can insert a company name into the journal memo, and there are another range of settings that you can use. Now that we've done the settings for this invoice export, we can go down to our data filter to apply it. So as you can see, we have invoice state equals approved and locked, and we'll also put in an invoice type. An invoice type can specify what sort of invoice you're exporting. This can be an agent invoice or a customer invoice or any type of invoice that Transvirtual allows. So now we'll just update our data filter, and as you can see, it says invoice state approved and locked, and invoice type to be a customer service type. So once we have done this, we can go to finance and then invoices and customer invoice searches. We're going to test this on one of our invoices. I can click on my open invoice, then I will close it and click approve and lock. This will trigger our EDI export. Once this EDI export is triggered, it should appear red in your additional tab, and then it should go white once it is sent. Once it's sent, you can double click and resend it if you need to. And that is a basic breakdown on our invoice EDI process. Thank you for watching.